Welcome, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about the tech support of the Pinterest. So, most people treat Pinterest like Instagram, posting random aesthetic photos, hoping for likes. This is exactly what most people make $0 from it. You will need to understand that Pinterest is not a social media application, it is a visual search engine. So people don't go there to see what their friends are doing. They go there with a credit card in hand, if you don't know this by now. So basically here, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the polling method, how to find high intent keyword builds to get started in a very easy way. So first of all, what you need to do is to have a professional Pinterest account to get a business home, creating content and much more. So first things first, you need a free Pinterest business account. As I just told you, don't use your personal profile, because once you are into it, you can go, for example, for the search bar. We are looking for an absolute highest converting niches. For example, let's say digital organization, wedding planning, home decor, for example. I have here my digital files and photos. So see these drop-down suggestions. This is Pinterest giving you the answers to the test. These are the exact phrases real buyers are typing right now. So you wanted to take note of the phrases containing words like template, printable, guide, best. In this case, for example, we have tips, tools, notion, checklist, templates, teachers, folders, work, hacks, genealogy, iPad, personal, whatever. So basically here, I can get, for example, that information, and into Pinterest, your follower count is irrelevant. A brand new account with 12 followers can easily pull 500,000 monthly views if your pin matches these exact same searches. Of course, click matters infinite more than follower counts. So the step number 2 is where do we send the traffic. If you link direct to an affiliation product page, your conversion rate will be miserable. So instead, we use the 2-step freebie funnel. So you wanted to offer your viewers a high-value freebie that completely solves their immediate research problem. To download it, they just gave you the email addresses. Let's say once they opt in, your system automatically delivers the freebie. They kicks off a 5-part automated email sequence over the next week, and this email sequence is where you recommend the premium version of your template or high conversion affiliation software tools. This is how you turn cold traffic into automated revenue, such as, for example, here, organization digital files. And here, if I click into visit the actual site, guess where this place is going to be leading me? Into an actual website where they have an actual blog into how to organize and store digital files, how to organize this information, where to store digital files, the stores, the cloud services, and I scroll all my way down and think of it more. There are more duplicated little pages in GoodNotes, there are printable planner templates, there is scrapbooking. Basically, this is what we're actually making some sales into it. So there's digital planner selling, there's digital flashcards, there's template tutorials, digital journals, Etsy. Basically, this lady is actually doing the actual works directly inside that. So what you can do is exactly the same. You can generate an actual website that gives you that specific information, so you can send them directly from Pinterest into the website that you are currently creating. In my case, for example, one that we have generated with Google Sites. So next up, we can build the actual pins. To get clicks, your graphic needs to follow 3 absolute rules. They must be a vertical 2:3 aspect ratio, and of course feature high contrast text overlays and show a visual mock-up of what they get when they click. In this case, for example, they have here like an example of how it actually going to be looking, the file that you're going to be downloading. For example, here, the file format, cheat sheets, video, images, audio, office, entire product file, you name this. And you can do it so directly here into Pinterest by just going directly into my profile. I create my actual profile, I create my actual product. Let's say, for example, go for create. I create my first pin and I choose the actual file to upload it directly inside here. For example, this one. the title, how to delete a TikTok account easily. And into my description, I can add one video. I have my board. Let's say create boards. Let's go for tutorials, create. And here, basically my topic tag is going to be helping me to solve this specific item issue. So I delete that. I go for published, and it's published right away. So Pinterest AI reads the pixels inside your images as much as the text description by launching 5 to 10 distinct visual variation pointing to the same landing page, and gives the algorithm multiple angles to match with different users' search behavior. And this is something that I'd love to talk about next, which is the CEO optimization and the scheduling. Before hitting into publish, you can change, as I just did, my actual keywords. Don't just stuff them into a row like a rabbit. Write natural, helpful copy, placing the pin title, the first sentence in the description, and inside the alt text slot. And Pinterest will actually reward a steady daily rhythm over the massive burst. You can use a schedule to QE up to 2 to 3 pins in actual day. So the ultimate beauty of the Pinterest Live method is compounding. Unlike, for example, TikTok, where a video dies after 48 hours, a search optimized pin can rank at the top of the Pinterest search feeds for 6 to 12 months, continuously driving passive traffic and automating email sign up into an actual funnel. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you fellas so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.